Hi, this is Maneesh Vijaya here from PM Pulse, the Pulse of Project Management, so to say. And let me tell you a few things about how to crack PMP exams as far as ITTOs are concerned. I keep running across people who talk about trying to mug up every aspect of ITTOs, that is all the inputs and outputs and tools and techniques of all the 49 processes. Well, I mean, I don't know it even after so many years, maybe more than 15, 16 years of being PMP certified, maybe more. Shucks. I did it way back in 2000. So I'm talking about nearly 20 years. I don't have to. Neither should you. You should never do it. The thing that I'm trying to say here is when you talk about the ITTOs, you need to understand the whole concept, look at patterns. Let me give you an example. Let's talk about deliverables. If you just understand the entire journey of deliverables from end to end, you'll have such an amazing command over the scenario questions in the exams, because the purpose of learning ITTOs or to understand ITTOs is to be able to understand the scenario of the question as soon as you can. The deliverables first get created as an output of a process called direct and manage project work. So direct and managed project work generates the deliverables. Obviously, direct and managed project work is a process which is from the process group of execution. In fact, it is the most important execution process which produces the deliverables. And once you have an output called deliverables from a process called direct and managed project work, these deliverables have to go someplace. It goes to two places. One of them is called control quality. That's where these deliverables have to be verified. Always remember the concept of verification before validation. And therefore, in control quality, these deliverables would be verified, inspected and verified. At the same time, when it is being sent to the control quality process, it's also sent to another process called manage knowledge. There it is only for lessons learned, and it stops there. But the journey from control quality continues. Once the deliverables are verified, the output of the process control quality is verified deliverables. Now remember, verification before validation, and therefore it becomes an input. The verified deliverables become an input to the process called validate scope. That's where the customer or stakeholder acceptance needs to be done. And there it becomes an input. Now, if those deliverables, those verified deliverables have been approved by the stakeholders or the customers or the, clients, it doesn't really matter. Then what you get is something known as accepted deliverables. That's the output of the process called validate scope. It's accepted deliverables. And these accepted deliverables become an input to the process. Basically, it triggers a process called close project or phase. Accepted deliverables is the trigger for the process close project or phase. And it becomes an input to the process called close project or phase. So you can see the entire journey of deliverables. Now, when you look at questions which talks about deliverables and you understand the entire journey, by reading the scenario, you'll be able to very clearly understand exactly where you are, and voila, you'll be able to answer questions very easily. That is how you need to understand tools and techniques, ITTOs, and that's how you actually answer questions, right? I hope I made it very clear for you, given you a general direction in which how to study for ITTOs for exams. This is Maneesh Vijaya from PM Pulse. Catch you later.